here we are at Sun Reef sail section. You'll see they got a really nice lineup here with a 60 Eco, a 70, and an 80. Behind me, you're gonna see the Sunreef 80, the Motion X. We're gonna take a quick look around. Let us know your thoughts and comments down below. If you want specifications on any Sunreef 80, get you the specs, the brochure, the general arrangement by going to yachtspecsdirect.com. Again, yachtspecsdirect.com. We're gonna jump in and see the Motion X. A few shots of the Motion X, the 80. So this is the aft transom on the Motion X. And this one has the extended platform here. It's a beautiful cockpit here. How you doing? How do they do that effect there? Oh, it's a mist. That is cool. I've not seen that before. It's got the raise up TV. Okay. Super cool.
Fireplace.
Mist fireplace. I'd put them on the sides too. So this is a nice illustration of how you can do a galley up, but this is only partial, so it has a separate galley down as well. So port side. So midship here. Forward, the thwartship berth. So a separate shower there. We've got the induction charging and USB ports. So starboard side. So this is set up with the two singles, but you will note it does have sliders, so that can go to just be a queen size berth. Everything has ensuite. Nice digital temperature controls. And I really love how every Sunreef is unique to itself. So here, nice huge walk-in closet. This galley down here. So another feature down here, there's really deep storage. And then access to a crew cabin. So the crew has its own separate area. So galley down, but also with the feature, a show kitchen up for entertainment. So entering the forward cockpit area on the Motion X. Beautiful trampolines, access to the forward storage lockers and crew cabins. It's a beautiful open concept here. Nice woodwork. The built-in grill over on the starboard side. And then all the power winches. Just for some perspective on how big the 80 actually is. This is the 70 next to us. So dimensionally, everything's just a lot bigger. You can see we're at least probably 6 feet up from the 70. Capture some shots of the Eco 70 here. On behalf of myself, Tony, and the rest of the team at Minted, thank you so much for checking out the Sunreef 80 here at the Cannes Yacht Festival. If you're in the market for this yacht or any others, please feel free to reach out at the info below. And again, you can get specifications to any of the Sunreef models by going to yachtspecsdirect.com and just type in what you want, and we will get you over the general arrangement, specifications, videos, and brochures directly. Yachtspecsdirect.com. For additional information, please feel free to email me at ts@mintedyachts.com. Also, feel free to text me at 404-805-9819.